Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's special is the most common chutney found in South Indian cuisine. Coconut chutney, also called white chutney. Coconut chutney pairs very well with most of the South Indian breakfasts like Idli, Dosa, Pongal, Upma and many more. The simplicity of this chutney is a clear winner and it is so easy to make. Let's get started. These are all the ingredients you'll need. Freshly grated coconut, roasted gram dal, ginger. Optionally, you can also add garlic if you want. Just one garlic pod. Green chillies, cumin seeds. These are all the ingredients you'll need for the tadka. So take a mixer jar. To this add in a small piece of tamarind, say about a centimeter, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 cup freshly grated coconut, 2 to 3 tablespoons of roasted gram dal, few green chillies. Adjust spice levels to suit your taste, 1-inch ginger piece and some salt to taste. Grind everything to a fine paste, adding a little water depending on your desired thickness. Basically, you want the chutney to be smooth but not very watery. Transfer the chutney to a bowl and set it aside. Now for the tempering. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Add in mustard seeds, cumin seeds, urad dal and dry red chilies. Once the lentils turn brown and mustard seeds crackle, add in a pinch of Asafoetida and a few curry leaves and turn off the heat. Transfer the tempering to the ground coconut chutney and serve. Though the chutney tastes good even without seasoning, but I advise you to temper it because it tastes better. Do enjoy it and subscribe to my channel MasalaKorb. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. It's me Padma signing off.